The Silo Art Trail is Australia's largest outdoor gallery. The trail stretches over a 200-kilometre distance in the Wimmera Mallee in Victoria and is just over 3 hours from Melbourne. The trail recognises and celebrates the region's people through a series of large-scale murals painted onto old grain silos, some of which are nearly 90 years old. The silos are absolutely breathtaking. It's so crazy to imagine how those amazing artists were able to create such beautiful artwork in such a large scale.